The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended as medical advice. Always consult a qualified healthcare professional for any medical concerns or conditions. Let's move towards video. Discover the secret to youthful, glowing skin right in your kitchen. Today, we're diving into the world of anti-aging smoothies, power-packed drinks that are as delicious as they are effective at supporting skin health. First up, let's talk about the ingredients that make these smoothies so special. Each one is carefully chosen for its anti-aging properties. Think of ingredients rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, all essential for maintaining skin elasticity, reducing wrinkles, and promoting that natural glow. Before we dive into the video, please make sure to subscribe to Anea Healthy Living and also hit that notification bell to stay tuned. For our first recipe, the Green Glow Smoothie, we'll be blending 1 cup spinach, half an avocado, 1 kiwi, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, and a drizzle of honey. It is optional. Spinach is loaded with vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, while avocado provides healthy fats to keep skin hydrated and plump. Kiwi is not only tangy and delicious, but also provides a powerful dose of antioxidants, especially vitamin E, which helps repair skin damage. Chia seeds are a superfood packed with omega-3 fatty acids that fight inflammation and promote smooth skin texture. Finally, almond milk is an excellent dairy-free base that's gentle on digestion and contributes to overall hydration. Blend everything until smooth and creamy. This smoothie is perfect as a refreshing breakfast or an afternoon pick-me-up to give your skin that radiant boost. Next, let's move to the Berry Bliss smoothie. Here's what you need: 1 cup mixed berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries, 1/2 cup Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1/2 banana, and 1 cup unsweetened coconut water. Berries are a powerhouse of antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, which protect your skin from free radical damage. Greek yogurt is rich in probiotics that support gut health, a key factor in achieving clear, glowing skin. Flax seeds are an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which have anti-inflammatory and hormone-balancing properties. Banana not only adds natural sweetness, but also delivers potassium, a mineral that helps hydrate skin from within. Coconut water is packed with electrolytes that keep skin cells plump and hydrated. Blend until smooth and serve chilled for a delicious, nutrient-rich treat. Now onto the tropical anti-aging elixir. For this one, you'll need 3/4 cup pineapple, 1/2 cup mango, 1/2 cup coconut milk, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon hemp seeds. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that helps reduce skin inflammation and improve elasticity. Mango is packed with beta-carotene and vitamin A, which are vital for skin repair. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, is one of the most potent anti-inflammatory agents, helping to reduce redness, acne, and signs of aging. Hemp seeds are loaded with high-quality protein and essential fatty acids, which promote skin regeneration and elasticity. Coconut milk adds a creamy texture while hydrating the skin from the inside out. Blend all ingredients together for a tropical burst of flavor that nourishes your skin and energizes your day. For a dessert-like treat that's also skin-friendly, try the Chocolate Youth Smoothie. Combine 1 tablespoon cacao powder, 1 cup almond milk, 1/2 avocado, 1 teaspoon honey, and a pinch of cinnamon. Raw cacao is one of the richest sources of flavonoids, antioxidants that improve blood flow to the skin, enhancing hydration and elasticity. Combined with the creamy texture and healthy fats from avocado, this smoothie becomes a luxurious treat for dry or mature skin. Honey adds a touch of natural sweetness while providing antibacterial properties that benefit your skin. Cinnamon, apart from enhancing the flavor, promotes better blood circulation, which is crucial for a healthy, glowing complexion. Blend everything to perfection for a creamy, chocolatey drink that feels indulgent but delivers potent skin benefits. Nutritional benefits of anti-aging smoothies. Now that we've shared these recipes, let's break down why these smoothies are so effective. The key lies in their nutrient-dense ingredients. Antioxidants. Found in berries, cacao, and greens, antioxidants neutralize free radicals that cause premature aging and dullness. Healthy fats. Ingredients like avocado, chia seeds, and hemp seeds provide essential fatty acids, which keep the skin's lipid barrier strong, locking in moisture and preventing dryness. Hydration. Coconut water and almond milk are excellent sources of hydration, helping to maintain the skin's elasticity and suppleness. Collagen-boosting nutrients. Vitamin C from fruits like kiwi and pineapple plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis, the protein responsible for the skin's firmness and structure. Anti-inflammatory properties. Ingredients like turmeric and flax seeds help reduce inflammation, a major contributor to aging and skin conditions like acne and redness. Tips for maximum skin benefits. 1. Use fresh, high-quality ingredients. The fresher the produce, the higher the nutrient content. If fresh isn't available, frozen fruits and greens are a great alternative. 2. Avoid excess sweeteners. Natural sweetness from fruits is usually enough. If you need extra sweetness, use honey or maple syrup sparingly. 3. Consistency is key. These smoothies work best as part of a consistent skincare and healthy eating routine. Aim to include them several times a week. 4. Pair with a balanced diet. Smoothies are a fantastic addition, but they should complement a diet rich in whole foods, lean proteins, and healthy fats for the best results. Adding these recipes to your daily diet is an easy and delicious way to support youthful, glowing skin and keep your digestive system happy. Now that you know the surprising benefits of all these easily available things, incorporating them into your diet is simple. Anti-aging smoothies are a simple, delicious way to support your skin's health and fight the signs of aging. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and hydrating ingredients, they work from the inside out to give you that youthful glow. Try out these recipes, experiment with your own combinations, and enjoy the benefits of radiant, healthy skin, one sip at a time. The key is consistency. Make recipes somewhere a part of your diet to experience these amazing skin benefits. Thanks for watching. We hope you learned something new and are inspired to improve your skin health by these tips. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tips on nutrition and wellness. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Your health journey starts with small, consistent steps. Let's take them together. See you in the next video. Stay active, stay healthy, and stay happy.